Hey, what's up? Welcome back to Road to Data Engineer. This is episode 33. Been grinding pretty hard off camera today, but figured I would do my last hour of the day on camera, just working on the portfolio project. I was working on refactoring the web scraper just so it's like really clean and presentable. I did a bunch earlier today, um, and I did some throughout the week. Lots of stuff off camera. So we're just gonna jump into where I kind of left off, uh, and just get after it. Okay, let's see. Need to pull. All right. I was working through a bug. Yeah. So originally I was storing the different rows of data that I scraped from the web page as lists, but there's two different web page formats, and they don't order the rows in the same way. So I'm gonna refactor this to try to use dictionaries. So um, let's see here. Um, hmm. um, so I kind of want to like make this a dict, add to it. Um, um, let's see. So okay. Hmm. Mm, um, let's see. Mm, maybe I don't actually. Maybe I still use. Yeah, so this is the part here. Placing name Academy. It's the division categories that are different. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, I just want to take a look at the division categories real quick and see how they are ordered. Okay. I need to debug this from main. Gotta wait for it to scrape to the newer page format. Yes, okay, so let's open our notes real quick. So, okay, so in the modern web scraper, the divisions are ordered age, gender, belt, weight class. Now, let's see how the results are ordered. The results are ordered placing, athlete name, team name. Okay, now let's check the legacy scraper. gonna take a second, I'm sure. Oh, well, maybe. Not sure. All right, let's try again. There we go. So divisions are ordered age, belt, gender, weight class. Okay. That makes sense. And then the results are ordered this way. Placing athlete name and placing athlete name sorry, athlete name and team, sorry. Okay, so I'm clear on how things are ordered. Now I think I don't really need to change the way they're scraped. I just need to change the way the rows are built. And I think I need to build the rows as dictionaries. I think. Maybe. Well, because if I reorder, because I want to basically I already have a function to build my individual rows of data from the two groupings of division and results. So if I just reorder divisions, then I can reuse the function. So let's look at that. Because my results are fine. There we go, just making a little comment that like, hey, things are in a different order here. Now I wonder, can I? I mean, I could just yeah, I mean, I could return it as a dictionary. Can I combine two dictionaries? Um, Maybe. I'm not sure if you can concat like two dictionaries. Let's see. I don't know. I don't know. Hmm. Mm. So, oh, I could just reorder them here. So, reorder contents of query so it is in the same format as the legacy order, i.e. change order of h belt weight class to h belt gender weight class. Allows for reuse of more functions across both web page formats. Okay. Let me start a REPL real quick. So I'm just going to have a list. And it's just going to have an example. And middle weight. Yep. Sure. So I just make a new function here. Define reorder modern division category. We'll change this comment back to before. That's what it was before. Okay. So we're gonna take in category contents as our list, and then we're gonna reorder it. So Um, okay. So our order is this. But we want it to be this. So age is fine. So we're gonna grab, we basically just need to swap gender and belt. Age, belt, gender, weight, class, desired output. Okay. So we're gonna say gender equals category contents 1 and belt equals category contents 2. Now I'm pretty sure I can update the list just doing this. Pretty sure. Yes, okay. Then we'll just update our list. We'll say category contents. I wish this AI would stop, or the code suggestion would stop. Okay, so 1 would equal belt, and 2 would equal gender. So it matches the format. Reorder contents of the category, so it matches the order used in the legacy web pages. Allows for use of more functions. Allows for use of more functions across both web page formats. Okay. Let me just make sure we pull out our gender and our belt. Yep, 1 and 2. And then we set our belt. Okay, I think this should work. And then we just got to return our category contents. So there we go. Strings need to be split, reordered. Okay, I'm pretty sure that should work. Now, let's update our comments. Okay. Oops. Hit the wrong button there. Parse. Modern. I did not start my timer, my Pomodoro timer. Let's see. I've been going 25 minutes. Cool. Luckily, OBS shows me how long I've been going. So, I'm kind of in the flow. This is feeling good for sure. Okay. Almost had a bug. Okay. No. Let's see here. Okay. Let's see if I can run the web scraper now. And we'll check um, gotta move to our working directory. Let's see here. Yeah, okay, so it's scraping the legacy page is fine. And it's like 2011, 2012. Okay, perfect. Let's just check a couple of the files. So we'll check like 2017. Here we go, scrape just now. Just make sure the data still looks clean. And to me it does. Blackmail rooster, placing. Awesome, sick. Okay, so we resolved that bug. Resolve refactor bug to ordering of category headers. Commit, okay. Cool. So that's good. Making progress. Feel really good about that, actually. Okay, so now I should be able to reuse one of the functions I made. When refactoring the legacy web scraper. So this one. Okay, so I gotta refactor some other stuff first, but we're getting there. Okay, now how did I will basically want to get like, I basically want to do this type of thing, collect page results type of thing. Okay. Okay, splitting out div tags that contain lists. These list tags, like objects that include placing, athlete, name, athlete. They have children with class athlete, one for each competitor result. Athlete item div tags contain 2. Okay. So the first thing I'm going to do is probably rename my old function. Return results. Yep. Okay. So collect legacy page results. Okay. Now I'm gonna make a very similar function. I'm gonna name it collect modern page results. So we need to do something like this. How did I... I'm kind of bad at spelling. Okay. So first we're going to start by renaming this a couple times. Cool. So pull out the athlete item tags, my individual results elements from the tag. Placing Okay. So let me kind of break it down here. So okay, split out div tags that contain list. Contain the table-like objects that include placing. One for each competitive result. So these are basically the table-like objects. So table-like objects. basically pulling out the rows of the table. Okay. And then here I'm like loop through each row to collect its info. Okay. So list tags. Let's see, how did I break it out before? Result tables. Yeah. Okay. Makes sense. Um, hmm. Okay. My music stopped. I was kind of listening to that. Okay. So Yeah, I basically want to do another abstracted out function here. Like get individual table or something like that. Collect individual legacy table. Yeah. Um, mm, um, okay. Collect all rows of an individual tournament results of a modern web page in table object. Okay. Collect. Mm. Pretty sure I should be like building a row. Mm. Individual table. Mm. That's fair. Maybe. I'm not sure about that actually. P tags contain both alley and school name. Did I do that right? P tag contents span. Okay, interesting. It's just a touch different. So let me go back to the top. I'm just going to debug it, to be honest. Oh, I see. Yeah. So, because um, okay. I think it is structured a little different. I'm not sure. I don't know. I need to just. I think I need to step into it. Let me look actually at the original code. Results.append. Now I just append straight to the. I don't understand. Oh. Um, I think an individual table. Actually, I don't know. I just don't understand, actually. I think we just try it. Okay, I'm just gonna try it. So we're gonna do. Um, okay. I think. Let's give it a second to hit the modern web pages. But I think this is gonna work. Nope, nope, nope. Well, I can't say I'm totally surprised, but line 64. Just debug real quick. Should be fine. Um, oh, collect. Well, I should probably do that first. Call the right function. Let's try again. I mean, it's acting like it's working, which I'm a little surprised by, to be honest, but I guess who am I to argue? Let's take a look. Looks good to me. Okay, cool. Um, okay, we're getting there. We're getting there. We're starting to get there. I mean, I could like reduce these up further, but I just think at some point it's kind of like over engineering, to be honest. And then I have to start like unpacking lists and stuff, and that would just be no bueno. So I think that's fine. I think this is fine. Um, okay. Okay, I think that's clean. I think that's decently clean. Clean enough, anyways. Okay. Hmm. Let me see. Division categories. So I think basically it needs to be something like this. I think I can actually literally just do this. think. I think this works. Okay, let's try it. Pretty sure. If my refactors from earlier were good, I think this should work. Making really good progress today. It's like, man, refactoring is kind of a lot of work though. And it doesn't feel like there's a lot of reward, but you know, every little bit counts, I think, when it comes to like making my project high quality. And I mean, I'm learning things. I'm learning how to use the debugger and Dataspell a little better. And I'm getting to implement some stuff I learned in school about like program structure and convention stuff. So nice. So I think it's working. I mean, to me, it looks like it's working, which is sick. Oh, let me just check. Let me just double check that the column orders actually make sense. Okay, nice. They do. Yep. Let me maybe check an older version of the tournament. Yep, they look good too. Nice. Okay, so I can remove this. And remove this. So just want to make the functions kind of mirror each other. Um, okay, so I just need to make a couple more helpers. And rename a couple things. Get legacy tournament name. Get legacy tournament year. And then make a couple new functions. Yep. And then change a couple things. Okay. So I would say it'll be like get page title. Yeah. Get modern page title. Mm. 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 Let's see here. Mm. Um, okay. Okay, let's see here. We're starting to get there. Okay. Now let's just start doing like a read through. So first we're going to get our soup. We're going to pass in our HTML. We're going to find the athlete results. We're going to parse out our division categories. We're going to collect our should probably just rename things for consistency. Yeah. Hmm. We're going to set our names. Okay. I mean, I like it. I like it. Like, I think at this point it would just be really style stuff. And like some ordering maybe. But yeah. Okay. Um, how do I scrape legacy web page? Hmm. 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 Okay. Okay. Hmm. Okay. So I think our flow is pretty good here now. Just clean up a touch of formatting. Okay. I think everything is looking very good. Yep. Okay. Okay, it's looking really clean. So basically let's just run everything, make sure it all still works. Step away to use the bathroom real quick while it runs. Nice. It looks like it's running. So basically, I'm just gonna commit real quick, push to my GitHub, and then tomorrow I'll do some more basic refactors. That'll just be like I'm gonna run the rough tool to make sure everything is in line with like PEP8 styling. And then I have an idea for refactoring the tournament scraper file. That's kind of more the main file. That way we produce a singular CSV file per tournament instead of one per tournament per year. But oh, and then I'm gonna probably rename a lot of the methods to have an underscore so they appear as private methods. So, okay, cool. Let's do finish initial refactor, initial complete refactor before styling. Nice. Okay, cool. All right, y'all. It's cooking, so I think I'm just gonna end the video tonight, and I'll probably see you guys tomorrow.